Alright, so we have the Autel IM608. This is what we just got in the mail, so we are going to do a review on it. We're going to see how good it is. We have a car outside that we have to program the keys to on a Ford, so it requires 2 keys. I got it started with my other Autel, but I wasn't able to finish it because it just wouldn't work. So we'll see what happens. But we got to start taking this apart. Let's see what we got here. There. Here. Okay. We got a box. Looks like your typical Autel box, right? That's what it is. So you got your XP400, your key programmer, right? Looks like it comes with an OBD2 port cable for your J box, which is the J2534, second one, right?
Yeah.
I got some extra cables here, USB cables and stuff. What is this thing? Okay. Damn, Velcro strong. Got a lot of extra cable attachments here in case we have to tap into, I guess, the computers.
Is that for computers, is it?
I think so. If you want to
Really?
clone some computers or whatnot.
Yeah, that'd be good. Hopefully that
Got
works.
some desk kit bags in there. Don't want the cats to get to those. So this is the actual programmer. Let's see if we can start it. There it goes, power. It's nice.
Yeah.
Key programming diagnostic tool. So we.
And this came with how much kind of did it come with like a year? I mean, like how long do you get being able to use this before you have to update?
This has 2 years before you have to do any updates. It says, or 2-year free updates, I believe.
Okay, I gotcha.
So looks like the battery has enough charge on it, 68%. I'll just kind of minimize it right now because I'm going to use it here in a little bit. I got to hook a battery up in a car, and then we're going to try to program some keys.
Okay, awesome.
So
should we put that on charge for a little bit? Do you think? With
yeah, I think we can. I got to find the charger though.
All right.
Question is, where is the charger at?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So we'll find some stuff on it, and we'll get back to you.
Alrighty.